Oh my god, guys, there was an earthquake where I live. Okay, now calm down, calm down. Yes, I'm fine. Bruh, I was asleep when it happened. And I'm like, why my booty cheeks shaking? The fuck? And when I open my eyes, I see the ceiling fan having a seizure. Bruh, I grabbed my cat, who was like beside me, and I rushed underneath the bed. And for your information, my bed doesn't have a lot of space for an adult-sized male like me. I had to lay down like a cockroach with a cum sock right in front of my face. Only Lord knows how long it's been there. Anyway, this pizza was great. Okay, ciao.